Bluey sprinted through the dark forest fast, Bingo tumbled beside her panting loud, and suddenly a shadow loomed overhead. Muffin shouted, "Run! Could something scary be chasing them?" Bandit grabbed Chili's hand tight, Rusty pointed at a flickering light ahead, Indy gasped, "It's glowing strangely in the trees, could safety be waiting?" From behind the bushes emerged a huge glowing wolf, huge, its eyes shimmered red sharp. Socks barked nervously pacing, Bluey whispered, "This is terrifying, could they escape?" The wolf stalked forward shaking the ground hard, Bingo clutched her balloon tight, Muffin hid behind Chili worried, could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy branch ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing lantern for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay together, could teamwork keep them safe?" Bluey noticed glowing patterns along the wolf's fur bright, she shouted, "Aim there now!" Bingo hurled a sparkling stone fast, could it distract the beast? The wolf growled, sparks and leaves flying everywhere, the forest trembled loud, Socks barked dodging falling branches, could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a tree stump shouting, "Move faster!" Rusty swung the lantern blocking attacks, the wolf paused confused, could cleverness save them? Suddenly the wolf froze completely still, its eyes softened amber warm, Chili whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing stone, could teamwork finish the chase? The patterns pulsed brighter then faded, the wolf bowed its head majestic, smoke and sparks cleared revealing a glowing crystal inside, Bluey picked it up careful proud, could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the trees glowing, Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous bright, could the next journey be even wilder? The friends ran through together brave, the forest twisted into a sparkling realm magical, Bingo laughed amazed, Muffin twirled around relieved, could endless adventures await? Above them, glowing fireflies circled wildly, sparks of magic scattered across the woods, Rusty shouted, "Keep moving!" Socks barked joining the fun, could the forest guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high shining, the light spread across the forest bright, Chili smiled proud, Bandit hugged everyone close, could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened swirling massive, glittering magical worlds beckoned ahead, Bingo shouted, "Let's go!" Muffin's eyes sparkled wide, could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes brave, she shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered ready for the unknown, could you run in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and dash into the next thrilling adventure with Bluey and friends.